Good morning, everyone, and I hope you are having a great Friday. And also, yay, we've all made it through the first week back for our spring semester. I wanted to hop on really quick and talk about our groups for class. We do have to split our class into two groups because we are so big, which is so wonderful. I really wish we could all be together, but thanks to Rona, we cannot. So I got an email from a student this morning wanting to know how our groups would be divided, and it is no scientific method. You just get to choose what group you wanted to be in, if you want to be in group A or if you want to be in group B. And she said that she was trying to go ahead and plan out her schedule, and since we're not meeting for like another 2 weeks, I was like, you guys should go ahead and get to choose what group you want to be in so that you can kind of get your schedule planned. Why wait until the 25th? So I'm really glad she sent that email. So that's great. All right, so looking at the schedule, I promise you there is no difference. Group A, you're going to get the same thing as Group B. Group B, you're going to get the same thing as Group A. So as you can see, the 18th is a holiday, so enjoy your long weekend. All right, the 25th, we will all meet together through Teams. I will send you a Teams invite on the 25th that morning, and we will all be together. You can be in your comfy clothes with your blanket, just all wrapped up, and we'll enjoy being together. Then February 1st, that's crazy, February, that's when we start splitting up, and we will go through this calendar or the schedule together on the 25th, but just to kind of get an idea of how it works. Group A, you're going to come and be with me in class on February 1st. We're going to go through chapters 1 and 2. Group B, what you will do is you're going to hop online on Canvas, and I want you just to look at the book talk, and I'll explain all these assignments. So if you're a little lost right now, it's okay. Be lost, it's fine. We'll go through all of this later. You're just going to hop on Canvas and get a general idea of what the book talk is, the details of it, what you need to do, and what you need to do to be prepared for your book talk. All right, so the next week we just flip-flop. Group A, you stay home or wherever you want to be. You look at the book talk assignment, get yourself familiar with it, what you're going to be doing. Group B, you're going to come with me, and we're going to dive into chapter 1 and chapter 2. Then the next week, February 15th, Group A, you're back with me, and we're looking at chapters 3, 4, and 5. Don't panic, they're not long chapters, okay? Then Group B, you're at home in your comfy clothes. You're looking at the discussion board assignments, just seeing what that's like. If you want to go ahead and answer some of those, you're more than welcome to. Then that following week, Group A, you're home or hanging with your friends, working together, whatever you want to do on the discussion board assignment. Group B, you're hanging out with me. So I hope this kind of helps. What I'd like for you to do is send me a quick email and let me know what group you want to be in. If you want to be in Group A or if you would like to be in Group B. And you can just check out the rest of the schedule, how it follows, and decide if you want to be in Group A or Group B. It honestly does not matter to me. So I hope this helps you explaining the groups a little bit. And if you have any questions, please let me know, okay? All right, see you later.